This is some help then just with exercise 2. So if you look at the question, it says to do your x values between -4 and 4. Do you see that I've done there from -4 up to 4, and my y values from 6 to -6. So that's what I've done there in terms of the axis. Of course, I've labelled my axes y and x, and I've just picked out 2 to do just to show you what we're doing. So I've picked y equals 2x. We're going to plot that straight line. And the other we're going to plot then is y as a quarter x. So I've picked all the numbers here. I tend to start with this out here because it's easier with positive numbers, but you don't have to do that. Let's see what we have here. So 2, anytime I see an x here, I'm going to exchange it for each of these numbers, and you'll get the pattern fairly quickly. 2 times -4 is -8. 2 times -3. Do you see the way I'm exchanging my x here for a -3? Is -6, -2 times 2, -4, -2, 0. 2 times 1 is 2, then 4, then 6, then 8. These generate then my coordinates. Now the first one won't quite fit on, but we'll go from -3, 6. Do you see -4, -8 doesn't actually fit, because you go to -4, that's -6 down there, so it'll kind of be down around here somewhere. But we'll do the other ones, and you should see this nice straight line. So -3, -6, x coordinate is -3. -6, so -3 down then to -6, 2, 4, 6. So that's my point there. So you can't even see that. That's useless. So it's that point there, -3, -6. Then -2, -4. Then -1, -2. 0, 0. 1, 2. 2, 4. And then 3, 6, and there's my straight line. So if I draw my straight line now, don't just join the points, go all the way through the whole grid, and we end up then with your line. The name of that line then is y equals 2x. I've done a quarter one here as well, and so let's see then how we get on with that. So I've picked fewer of the numbers there. I haven't picked everyone, just not because of laziness, just because it's a video. I don't want to take up too much of your time. But anytime I see an x, I'm going to exchange it then for each of these numbers. A quarter times -4, that gives me -1. -2 times a quarter gives me -1/2. 0 times a quarter is of course 0. A quarter times 2 is 1/2, and then 1. So where's my first coordinate? -4, -1. So that's -4, -1. So there's 3, there's -4. So -4, -1. Next one is -2, -1/2. -2, -1/2. 0, 0. 2, 1/2. And 4, 1. And you see we still get our straight line. It's a much flatter looking line. It is a smaller gradient. And we end up then with a line that looks like that. The name of that line is of course y equals a quarter x. Hopefully that's helpful.